To Paolo and Jan to do this overview about the activities of Calypso. I think the roadmap is clear, and I think it suits to you. If not, I repeat my colleagues, but don't hesitate to inform us, and we are there to answer to your needs. And well, our roadmap is clear, but without our members, we are nothing. So I'm delighted today to invite at this round table 4 newcomers, operators. So welcome here, and I will introduce my speakers. Janina Suditu from Transport Public Bucharesti Ilfov Authority. She's the development director. Then you have Ababakar Fall from CETUD Dakar, the director of operation. Guido Congiano, the well-known, because he has been presented yesterday as program manager. And close to me, Mario Pedro, CEO of ENBI, the national ticketing company from Angola. Welcome, everybody. So, first of all, I will ask you to present your networks, your ticketing system, all the information you think you want to share with us in some key topics, key figures. So the floor is yours. I propose to go in that direction.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Manon. Thank you for having me, and thank you to the CNEA, the organization. My name is Mario Pedro. I'm CEO of ENBI. ENBI is a ticketing company in Angola, created 2 years ago to manage the ticketing system of Angola due to the recent reform that our government is putting in place in transport area, because today mobility is in the center of all public policies, most recently in Africa. So we are a little bit behind, because we have particular specific context regarding the developing countries, but we are committed to implement standards that can give us the same level of confidence and operation like the other members of CNEA. So that's why, thank you again. So we are here to hear from you, and to share with you also what is our system, which is based in a national scheme. Thank you.
Thank you, Guido.
Grazie, buongiorno a tutti. Allora, riparto dalla... Non voglio essere ripetitivo, ieri già c'è stata la presentazione, però il Consorzio Unico Campania è il consorzio che gestisce l'integrazione tariffaria all'interno della Regione Campania. Siamo partiti nel 1995 con l'integrazione a Napoli, e dal 2003 siamo l'unica regione che ha un sistema di integrazione a livello regionale, e il consorzio è un consorzio privato delle 14 maggiori aziende di trasporto della regione. Abbiamo l'operatore nazionale Trenitalia all'interno dei nostri consorziati, e quindi siamo in effetti una realtà molto eterogenea, molto complessa per numero di operatori e per estensione territoriale. Dal 2003 abbiamo introdotto tutte le diverse tipologie di bigliettazione, dalla magnetica alle card elettroniche, ai QR code, agli open payment. Quindi noi, partendo da molto lontano, siamo già alla seconda generazione di sistema di bigliettazione elettronica e ovviamente lavoriamo molto sul ticketing, perché è il nostro verticale per conto delle aziende. Oggi abbiamo le smart card Calypso Prime, abbiamo circa 70.000 carte attive sul territorio regionale per gli abbonamenti annuali e mensili. Abbiamo da 2 anni introdotto la bigliettazione QR code, anche open payment, per far sì che tutto il ventaglio delle soluzioni di ticketing possano man mano erodere la bigliettazione magnetica e quindi abbandonarla nel corso del 2024. Grazie.
Grazie. Babakar.
Good morning. My name is Ababakar Fall. I am the manager of operation of CETUD. CETUD is a transport authority of Dakar. Dakar is the capital of Senegal. It is one of the fastest growing cities in Africa, with about 4 million inhabitants, which account for 23% of the country's total population. Its population is expected to reach 5 million by 2030. While walking is still the predominant mode of transport in Dakar, public transport represents 8% for all daily motorized trips. Public transport in Dakar is currently provided by several operators without integration. This includes the public transport operator Dakar Demdik, private operators regrouped under the association AFTU, informal and artisanal minibus operators, Car Rapid and Jaganjai, shared taxi operators, which currently operate informally, and the regional express train, TER, opened in December 2021, connecting the city of Dakar and to the municipality of Diamniadio. With the exception of the TER, we do not have a real ticketing system in the public transport network. Private operators have implemented a lightweight digital ticket sales system with an Android terminal. However, Dakar's mobility system is currently undergoing significant transformation, with the first bus rapid transit under construction and the public network restructuring projects. One of the main objectives of the project is to build an integrated contactless ticketing system based on Calypso standard. Thank you.
Thank you. And Janina, please.
Hello to everybody. I am Janina Suditu and represent Public Transport Authority from Bucharest Ilfov area, covering the entire Ilfov County and also Bucharest municipality. In fact, it's a single area in Romania which covers the entire county and have an integrated automated ticketing system. The system is card-based centric. It's MyFare technology implemented in year 2005 with some upgraded. It's huge efforts from the operator, because the operator for the moment it's administrator of the system, the biggest operator in the region. And the integration was made in 2018 due to the new contracting services with our authority. So now we have integrated all the surface operation at the region. We are in duty only for the surface, but also keep in mind to integrate also the other modes, like metro. We have the metro, and with the pilot project, also the railway services for the region. In that context, we discussing now to an ABT system to integrate all the efforts for payment improvement. Near this ticketing system, card-centric, some solutions for payment was developed in last years from SMS to apps and also payment with the bank card in all vehicles. So we have a large palette of payment, but it's not integrating in the ticketing system. It's a parallel systems. Our duty now is to implement a new ticketing system to move to the mass services and also to make steps to integrate in phases all these existing systems which interoperability constraints. Related to some key figures, the population in the region is around 3 million, 2.5 million day trips, and in general, the service is covering 100 million vehicle kilometers per year. These are the general figures related to our authority. Thank you.
Thank you for this presentation. Well, we can see you have one common point. You are a member of Calypso, a CNA association, but as we can see, there is really different project, different strategy. And yes, we have a really early adopter of Calypso, which is using different products of the range. And he just joined this year's association. So Guido, you have the experience of Calypso. Can you tell us why you joined this year, the association, and if you have to present to your peers the usage of Calypso, what's the most important arguments you will share to decide them to use Calypso?
Ok. Bene, noi abbiamo avuto l'approccio è stato top-down per quanto riguarda l'integrazione e l'interoperabilità, cioè noi abbiamo avuto la fortuna, la lungimiranza di creare prima il consorzio di integrazione tariffaria e poi calare da lì tutti i progetti di integrazione tecnologica già con un livello regionale, con un forte livello di aggregazione. Quindi siamo partiti nel 2002 con un primo esperimento di ambiente full contactless che era l'isola di Capri, con la metropolitana, i bus e la funicolare non la metropolitana, che aveva tutto un sistema full contactless, quindi una sperimentazione veramente di oltre 20 anni fa. Poi dal 2003 abbiamo introdotto Calypso anche sul territorio regionale, sulla terraferma. Con Calypso siamo partiti per la sicurezza, l'interoperabilità che c'è comunque tra i diversi prodotti, tra tutta la filiera che riguarda la bigliettazione. Quindi partendo dalla card ovviamente abbiamo sistemi di validazione, di vendita, di controllo e l'interoperabilità e lo standard è la chiave necessaria per integrare diversi sistemi, ma anche diversi fornitori all'interno dello stesso sistema, perché poi una volta che parti dal greenfield, quindi implementi il primo sistema la prima volta, il giorno in cui l'hai acceso, il giorno dopo sei in una perenne fase di transizione. Cioè vediamo che nel corso degli anni e oggi ancora più velocemente i prodotti, la digitalizzazione nel ticketing segue ovviamente i passi veloci che fa la tecnologia in generale, quindi le nostre aziende sono chiamate sempre più giorno per giorno a introdurre nuovi prodotti, nuove soluzioni, quindi che ovviamente anche nell'ambito Calypso si sta lavorando proprio per aggiornare continuamente queste soluzioni. Siamo entrati nel board perché partendo da lontano prima c'era secondo me meno apertura e meno consapevolezza, apertura nei sistemi e consapevolezza tecnologica nell'ambito delle aziende. Oggi anche con i nostri partner abbiamo acquisito maggiore consapevolezza e maggiore competenza anche nel dettaglio dei sistemi, e quindi diciamo è stato automatico entrare nell'associazione, perché al di là delle diverse soluzioni, ABT, Car Basic, eccetera, noi siamo aziende ticketing based, quindi per noi il ticketing è un elemento fondamentale ed è importante che l'associazione segui ovviamente l'aggiornamento di tutti i prodotti, quindi benvengano tutti i lavori verso l'HCE, verso il mobile, perché è chiaro che con le differenti realtà che sono presenti nell'associazione, vedevamo, ci sono gli amici dell'Africa, Città del Messico che ha altre peculiarità, così come le realtà europee ovviamente hanno ancora più differenze, quindi bisogna traguardare in maniera trasversale tutti i prodotti e seguire rapidamente le evoluzioni tecnologiche che oggi sono all'occhio di tutti, sono sempre più veloci, con l'occhio ovviamente alla sicurezza, perché ovviamente la sicurezza Calypso è un fiore all'occhiello dell'associazione, però ormai la cyber security è un tema sempre più forte all'interno delle nostre aziende, che passiamo da aziende con un forte animo industriale, quindi bus che devono girare, quindi avevamo bisogno di motori e carburanti, oggi i bus sono delle centrali piene di tecnologia a bordo, quindi le nostre aziende sono chiamate a uno sforzo di digitalizzazione importante che noi promuoviamo anche come consorzio all'interno delle nostre aziende, proprio per stimolare anche gli operatori alla digitalizzazione, all'utilizzo di sistemi di controllo, per esempio intelligenti, per le carte, per i chip, i telefonini, cioè abbiamo bisogno di uno sforzo di ammodernamento e Calypso ci dà questa opportunità. Grazie.
Grazie. Security, interoperability, digitalization, multi-product, openness. I will hire you to be my salesman. Thank you very much. Then we have two other members that more recently choose Calypso, and at the same time they decide to really be involved in the association because both of them decided to be vice chair of the association. First of all, thank you very much for being so involved. And my question for CETUD and ENBI is, why did you choose to be so involved in the association, and how did you decide to, or why did you decide to take Calypso as a solution for your ticketing system? Ababakar, can you begin, please?
Thank you. In fact, we chose Calypso as a standard for our system because we seek to optimize our ticketing performance and offer Dakar transport users easier trips. 23% of the BRT users come from the feeders lines. And tariff integration constitutes for us one of the pillars of the success of the construction of this metropolitan network that we want to build in Dakar. Indeed, with the designing of a metropolitan network structured around MRTs, the objective is to achieve an integration of the different services offered by several transport operators on this network. We wish to promote the opening systems and mastery of the technical solution deployed. Furthermore, we were recently appointed president of the African Association of Urban Transport Authority, which gathers 13 transport authorities for the West, Central, East, and North Africa. And one of our goals is to promote the integration of interoperability, integration of interoperable ticketing at regional level. Being a member of CNA board of directors can help us to contribute in a way that our need can be considered to make it easier to achieve his goal. Thank you.
Thank you. And Mario Pedro for NBI.
Thank you. Let me resume our motivation, quoting the son of this beautiful land that is having us, Isaac Newton. He said, if I have seen farther than others, it's because I climbed on the shoulder of the giant. So CNEA for us is a giant, and we want to see further. That's why we joined CNEA because we need a knowledge in this new business in our country. So we believe that to succeed in this engagement, we need to partner with the peoples, with organizations that have experience and can, I can say, teach us how to walk in this new path. So for us, it's a strategic decision. I think since 2019, we have been talking with CNEA, first with our Minister of Transport, who is personally engaged to envy to be part of this organization. And because our system is based in South America, contest and technology, because of the similarity between Africa and South America. But we feel that technologically is the time to go further, to increase security and the confidence to our system, and also because we have some challenge that we think only being in CNEA we can address these challenges successfully. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And yes, having South America and Africa's country and members in the board, I'm sure it will enlarge our vision at CNA and will help us to fulfill the needs of everyone. And to conclude, we have one network that joined CNA in their reflection phase of choosing their new system. So, Janina, what are you looking for in the association? And I hope we can help you with that.
Thank you. To be more specific, I want to present a little bit the entire context of the project. It's a turning point for the Bucharest Ilfov Transport Authority due to the implementation of a new ITS system concept, opening the data, creation of a database for open data, opening the system and integration of entire system. Also implementing the new technology, which is not able for the future to make us captive in one or another companies and in impossibility to integrate new solutions. Also, the other aspect is the authority will manage this new technologies, this new ITS system. So, in fact, we will integrate all the solutions at the regional level for the surface transport. We want to integrate also with Metrorex. The system is similar now. It's card-centric also to them. And to integrate also with the railway system, because we will implement a new services for the metropolitan rails also in our duty in the near future. So in that complex context, we're thinking it's right place to be here, because we thinking about the standardization and new technologies. We already create and drafted functionalities for the new system, and in several months we intend to make a huge international market consultation on it, and to prepare the next step for the acquisition and implementation of this system. It's for sure implementation in steps, because we already have some system which is not possible to be eliminated. But for the first phase, we need an ABT system which is needed to integrate all the solutions and changing the technology step by step. This is one of the context, standardization and need of the information for technologies, and like an assessment of entire process and solutions for the opening. The other aspect, which is very important, it's awareness of the local, regional, and also national. Why national? Because all the country municipalities looking to the Bucharest as a pioneer in that. Also, we have a pilot project to integrating the systems right now for the metropolitan trains. So we have now in place a tariff offer integrating the airport services by train, and also metro and buses. So we keep in mind also needed to integration and interoperability at the level of national services with the metropolitan services also. The third aspect is related to talent creation, because we need specialists in that, which is near technology companies, which is near the other good practices. We need also good practices and understanding of the requirements and risk and the steps they avoided, and how not to say the same problems, or how to solve it in a better manner. And last but not the least, we need a platform. We need to be here. We need to know the new technologies, and to create for us a good networking also for the projects in the future, but also for the research and innovation. Also because we are like I saw a pilot pioneer in the Romania country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this really precious testimonial. I don't know if there is question in the room for our newcomers in the association. Well, it seems you have been really clear, so thank you very much for you four. If I should have summarized the association, I couldn't do it better than you have said, with sharing experience, technical excellence, support to our members. Thank you to trust in CNA to help you and to improve your system, really. And yeah, to conclude, I apologize for the approximative translation. I think we can say we are all agree to say alone we are going faster, but together we are going further and better, I hope. So thank you, and don't hesitate during the break, not yet, after the next session, stay here please, to discuss and to engage together between members to do your stuff. But we are here as a platform for supporting you also in exchanges. Thank you.